Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find a grid reference on an NCC map. This skill is fundamental for accurate navigation and communication in the field. We will break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps, ensuring you can confidently locate any point. Understanding grid references is crucial for teamwork and safety during exercises and expeditions. To begin, we first locate the eastings. These are the vertical lines running across your map, numbered along the bottom or top. Always read these numbers from left to right. Find the easting line immediately to the left of your desired location. Then, mentally divide the 1,000-meter square into 10 equal parts from left to right, estimating your point's position within that division. Next, we determine the northings. These are the horizontal lines, numbered along the sides of your map. You will read these numbers from the bottom upwards. Identify the northing line directly below your target location. Similar to eastings, mentally divide the 1,000-meter square into 10 equal parts from bottom to top, estimating your point's position within that segment. Finally, combine your 3-figure easting with your 3-figure northing to form a complete 6-figure grid reference. Remember, eastings always come before northings. For example, if your easting is 345 and your northing is 678, your full reference is 345678. This precise 6-figure number identifies a 100-meter by 100-meter square on the map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.